Activator, the Virtual Access Management System, is an enterprise-grade platform that gives you the tools and functionality to cost-effectively deploy thousands of routers. Activator can be a cloud-based service or a privately installed server. Managing bulk updates is made easy, and its monitoring capabilities allow you to proactively analyze your entire network. Activator simplifies the logistic issues associated with deploying many routers. Router configuration and firmware updates are simplified and tailored to meet your requirements. Here's how it works. First, virtual access routers are configured and tested to meet customer requirements so they can operate successfully for your end customer scenario. Next, a copy of the router's configuration file is uploaded from the router and imported into Activator. When the configuration file has been imported into Activator, it is saved and converted into a profile. A profile can be seen as a template. The advantage of a profile is that you can associate thousands of devices with it. Each device inherits all of the profile's parameters. In most cases, each individual device will require personalized information. For example, IP address, IPsec key, site name, and so on. This information is gathered into quick pages. You can assign as many quick pages into a profile as required. When a profile with all the relevant personalized information has been developed, you can then create devices for this profile in Activator. But how do you get customer configuration information into Activator for deployment of thousands of routers? Bulk importing devices into Activator is made easy by importing files in CSV or XML format or through a Web Services API. These files will be populated with site-specific information from our customer database. The process is quick and easy and can be incorporated into any back-end system. Once all the devices have been created, the routers are ready to be shipped to your end customer site. When powered up, the routers call home to Activator, present their serial number, and download their running configuration file. The routers reboot and become live on Activator's monitoring system. Monitor is an application built into Activator, providing your support team with access to router availability, real-time diagnostic tools, and an extensive reporting mechanism. Routers that are created as devices on Activator are automatically created on its monitoring application. What about managing a large estate of routers? How do you efficiently update routers with both firmware and configuration changes? Activator's job queue workflow solves these problems. The benefit of this system means you can create flexible job queues within specific times of day during a week, monitor live update status, configure retry behavior, and access on-demand reporting. In summary, the benefits associated with the Virtual Access Management System include reduced cost of sending installation engineers to site, easy router installations, automated deployment, no end-user action required, real-time diagnostics, full scheduler for bulk upgrades, and simple integration with your existing systems. For more information, visit our website or contact our sales team.